Yo guys, today is another wonderful day and TTFX is trying to navigate you throughout the Forex industry. If you check most of the time right now, and in our live videos you'll be watching here, there, everybody's talking about Forex, making money in Forex, and a lot of people thought it's hard. Actually, it's hard, but if you have the good knowledge, if you have a basic understanding of how it works, knowing your bias of the higher time frame and the lower time frame, it's very easy. Now, I want to enlighten you guys more on what I deem it fit that without this knowledge, you cannot make a dime in the financial market. Number one is knowing how the industry works. That is one of the basics, knowing how the industry works. Most of the time, we jump into money because we hear or listen people say you can make money on this aspect, you can make money on this part. A lot of people have that mindset that once you just jump into it without having an idea, you can start making money. That is not true. Most reason why newbies lost their money in forex trading is because anytime you listen to those forex guru how they flicked account from $10 to $100, you just feel that it's easy, of which is not. It has been a year of experience, it has been a lot of time, hard work, knowledge, and the rest of it. Now I want to introduce you guys to what actually makes someone profit. Now, if you don't have a newbie knowledge, the basics knowledge in trading, in financial market, all you do is just loss. But if you have the good knowledge and you have a tutor, probably someone who can teach you how the basics work from the infant to a professional level. For instance, now, let's say you just watch someone make $100 from the financial market. You have this enthusiasm that you can also do it. Of course, you can also do it, but not now. The reason why I say it's not now because you have this enthusiastic mindset and you go register a broker, and the next thing you just deposit your life account, and before you know, you are gone. You lost your money. You are broke. You begin to think this forex stuff is a scam. It's not a scam. Let's just be sincere. It's not a scam. Most of the time, what happened to us is what I've just been explaining before. It is this enthusiasm that you can make money. You know, we in Africa, there's this mentality that anytime you hear there's money in a particular part of life, everybody wants to rush in. They don't think of how do I do this? They don't think of do I need knowledge to make this money? All they do is if this person can do it, I can also do it, which is true. But then without the basic knowledge, without you having the ideas on how these things work, I can bet on $1,000 that you will never make a dime from the financial market, which is why a lot of people lost money, which is why a lot of people have this mindset that forex trading is actually a scam, of which is not. If you check very well from those gurus you've been watching all those years, trading is not a scam. It is not. And one of the reasons why you lost and keep losing money is because you have this mindset that since you lose money, it's always a scam. And you have this FOMO, what you call FOMO, which is fear. You understand? Fear of losing out. You begin to develop this fear of losing out. That's why anytime you want to trade, you rush into trade. When the market take you out, you begin to say, this thing is a scam. Why are people always lying about it? It is not. I have a lot of people who made money in this industry. You have seen a lot of people who made money in this industry. They are not faking it. The only thing is that if you don't have the right knowledge, I can bet on it that you will always lose money and you keep losing money. So please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Just take your time, listen to what I've just said, watch it over again, and on my next video, I'm going to be explaining the basic steps that if you take and if you understand them, you can become profitable. Thank you guys. CG Forex got you. Love and support. Thank you.